here's my rendition of a beautiful love song speaking all about aloha. Here's Amy. And I always say this song actually allows me to reach deep into the soul, brother, in which flows through my body. Aloha wau ia oe, aloha elei. There'll be no one in your place. As evening shadows fall, I hear your sweet melody, yeah, that brings me fond memories of you. I'd be so lost without you. Everything seems so blue, but my heart keeps saying that it's you, dear. It's you, just you, my darling. Eku aloha ele. You're mine, just mine alone. There won't be no one in your place. I'd be so lost without you. Everything seems so